Siddharth, Sanjay and Shravan Kumaran has settled down their names on the list of youngest entrepreneurs of India. How they started with this business, how they started with this zeal of converting their passion into something which nobody has ever done. So welcome to another video of Way to Pragmatic Life, a vision towards practical life. So today we are going to study about some people who converted their zeal of doing something, who converted their passion into something which was memorable, which created the history. And they listed their names right down in the list of youngest entrepreneurs of India. There are many names nowadays who have started their business right after the age of 10 years. They have started following their passion. They have started increasing the curiosity to know more things about their passion when they were in school. When they were in school, they were so curious about their field that they gathered more information and they actually built a business out of that information. They build business one after another. They do not need any external force to come and drag them to their passion. They are already so much passionate about their success. They are already so much passionate about converting their passion into something which can give them money. Scoring a good marks in a school is not the enough thing that you need to do. You are getting depressed because you are not scoring well. You are getting depressed because your friend might be scoring a good rank in school. Your friend might be scoring a good position in your class. Well, let me tell you one thing very clearly. All the self-made businessmen were truly do not concerned about scoring a position in the school. Truly do not concerned about how much they are scoring, but they were truly concerned about putting their passion at the right place, giving their sweat, pain, hard work, everything to that one passion. The only goal of their whole life was to convert their passion into something which can give them money, into something which can world recognize. Earning money, having a dream of earning money is not bad at all, but the problem is right after we get admission into school, this thing is inculcated into our mind that at this age you only need to study. You do not need to participate in any extracurricular activities. You do not need to do any other things except study. Score good marks, be a girl or a boy who class appreciates, who your teachers appreciate. And if you cannot become like that, then you are a bad student, and then students get into depression. Then you are a student of no use. You should get into depression. You should get into a depressing state. Let me tell you one thing. Always remember that you are a great person. You are a great person in yourself. All the things which you have in yourself, no other classmate of yours, no other person around yourself has, no one has ever going to have all those specialties which you have in yourself. Just focus on your specialties, just focus on your passion, just try to convert your passion into something big. Just have that zeal in you to convert your passion into something which can give you a recognized state in future.